Hello everyone and welcome back. Now a clean kitchen doesn't just mean wiping slab until it shines like Taj Mahal marble. Though that does feel great, but the real magic is when the kitchen is clutter-free and organized. Like when you can actually find the pizza cutter without opening every single drawer. Or maybe grab the right pasta seasoning without digging through 5 masala boxes first. Honestly, I was in the same boat. Always moving things around like I'm playing musical chairs with my kitchen stuff. So I made a few small upgrades to my kitchen organization game. These not only solved some daily struggles but also created more space in the same kitchen area. These ideas and organizers worked for me, but if they help you too, I have added all the product link in the description box. Do check them out and pick only what truly fits your space and lifestyle because mindful shopping always feels the best. The first clever addition is this wall shelf. It actually plays a dual role and turn out to be an excellent multi-purpose organizer, which I'll show you in a bit. I chose this one because it's wooden, very sturdy and super easy to clean. I just scrub it with regular dishwashing liquid and wipe it down with a damp cloth. It comes with screws for wall installation, which actually helps it to hold heavy items as well. Plus, fixing and removing it is quick, which makes deep cleaning very easy. I wasn't too sure before ordering, but to my surprise, the wood is really good quality and the polish has stayed intact even after regular cleaning. It came in separate parts with instructions and pre-installed hooks, so we could easily assemble it ourselves at home. And the best part, it can be dismantled when not in use, which saves a lot of storage space. Now here are a few ways I would like to use this organizer for. First one is for storing those specific spice jars that are both useful and pretty looking. Next, you can also use them for keeping daily use items like salt, mortar and pestle or pepper grinded. It makes things very handy and convenient to use. This slab also works as a perfect unit for storing your tea, sugar and coffee essentials. Next, we all like to display cute mugs, so why not? Pick your best mugs and show them off on this slab along with the stirrers. Lastly, if nothing, then simply use it for adding little kitchen decor pieces that make the space feel cozy. I would easily give this shelf a 10 on 10 for both looks and purpose. Next best organizer, and something I have mentioned a couple of times in my earlier videos as well, are these suction caddies. Each time I visit IKEA, I make sure I pick one because of the extremely good quality and multi-utility convenience these baskets serve. Luckily, these are also available on other online platforms and are easy to get. Do watch my video on renter-friendly storage ideas to know more about how to use these baskets. I'll link that video in the description below. So this basket comes with suction hooks that hold any smooth surface firmly. Earlier they had a screw pattern, but now these caddies come with push suctions for even better grip. Just fix them at the back side of the given grooves and they are ready to install. As mentioned, though they have many uses, this time I'll use them in narrow gap between my RO and cupboard to first utilize this dead space in the kitchen better, and second free up my platform which had become a dumping station for all tumblers and kids bottle, which was quite a trouble for me. I am so glad that this basket fits like a glove in this narrow space, and all I need to do is position it right and press the suction to install this basket. No drills, no holes, just an easy to install and remove organizer. That's it. My empty gym tumbler, sippers, and bottles are now landed where they belong, and the platform is free for better usage. The caddy has holes at the bottom, so the water will pass through even if the bottles are wet, and now they have a dedicated space in the kitchen and can be washed, refilled, and stored conveniently. Another such dead space that can be utilized is the back of the shelfless cabinet doors. And this iron basket is the perfect organizer for creating that much needed hidden extra space in the kitchen. This is made of metal and can be fixed with screws, which makes it convenient to hold heavier kitchen items. It's here in my kitchen for the past 1 year and is still sturdy and serving the purpose right. It has enough gap to hold a lot of things. I use it for the daily utility items that I need quick access to, like a few serving trays, chopping boards, even my cast iron tawa, and some other utility items. If not on a door, you can install it even on walls or in small spaces between two cabinets. So much items get stored in such a small and easy to access space. With the right gap, everything is easy to access and this free space is getting utilized properly. Next small yet powerful organizer for our kitchen are these magnetic hooks. Don't go on the look of it because they give such strong grip and can hold even pots and pans without slipping. They do look small but are best in using those small narrow spaces for hanging anything. They can stick easily on ovens, fridge and microwaves, and the magnet is so strong that it's hard to remove them easily, which actually is the USP. So now the blank space around the microwave can be used for better. You can hang things that often get missed in the drawer and separate them for easy and quick access. You can hang the oven or microwave related accessories by simply adjusting the hooks as many times as you like. I use kitchen towels very frequently in the kitchen, so having one nearby is very helpful. They are made of steel and will stay with you for a really long time. Another easy way to use them is to hang them on the windowsill and use the space for hanging some cleaning tools like the straw cleaner that keep missing every time I try to find it, or a hand towel for a quick wipe down. The fact that they are easy to move gives so much freedom for their placement. I am definitely going to get more, especially for my window area. Talking of the magnetic hook, another powerful magnetic tool is this magnetic towel hanger, And little did I know that this simple looking tool can be used in so many ways, which I'll show you in a bit. First of all, full marks on the quality of this holder. It is made of heavy metal and is very neat looking. I like the fact that its design is simple and it can easily blend in any kitchen decor. By the way, it also comes in white color, but I preferred the black one. Next full marks go to the magnetic sticker at the back, which is broad and has super strong grip. Now let me show you some simple but terrific ways to use this organizer. You can place it on any metallic surface and use it as a paper towel hanger, which basically is the primary use of this tool. This makes pulling out paper very convenient. Also, the hook placement is such that the paper glides out smoothly without jamming. But we are not settling down for less. So the next amazing use is to hold it for kitchen towel or napkin and also to place your small lids. Now in case you need more space in the same organizer, just turn it around and hang an S hook and here you go. Utility space for another kitchen tool. Since the hold is so strong, you can also hang zippers or basically anything that has loop in it. Not just the kitchen, you can place them at the side of your washing machine to hang all your daily cleaning tools in one place. Then just by placing this hanger in the vertical position, it gives you enough room to hold your kitchen towels together. And as mentioned earlier, since this organizer has a rod-like holder, you can add more organizers with loops to hang onto the rod. And this adds more space to keep multiple items in the kitchen. Isn't it smart and convenient? Talking of utilizing the back door of cabinets, there are multiple baskets with stick-on hooks also available these days for a nail-free installation. They come in small and bigger units along with the basket holding hooks that can easily be fixed onto the basket. Now there is a stick-on hook that holds the holding hook, and this stick-on hook can be fixed anywhere needed. Similarly, like this smaller one, longer baskets are also available with the same fixing unit for more space utilization. These are primarily the bathroom fixtures, but they can store anything, so why not use them in the kitchen smartly? I find them very convenient to stick to the back side of the cabinet door for creating more space. So, since the front area of this cabinet is empty and cannot be utilized further, I'll stick this basket to cover up the gap. And this way, the jars will not be blocked and yet the space can be utilized for storing small tools and items. Similarly, the larger baskets can also be used to store extra items. Just make sure there is enough space at the back to allow the cabinet door to close, and not restrict the other items. For installing, just remove the back tape and place them on the spot you wish to install. Remove the basket and press the hook tightly before placing the baskets back. This gives a stronger grip, and now you can put multiple items that lie around here and there in the kitchen. Green tea sachets, half-used pouches, some kitchen tools, hooks, and frequently used kitchen gadgets. You can place multiple baskets on top of each other depending on how much empty space your cabinet allows. A note of caution, I would not recommend placing bigger, heavier glass bottles, but these baskets can hold lightweight objects and bottles very well. And the door can open and shut without any issue. Okay, next organizer is something I was willing to buy since a long time. This 3-in-1 bamboo wrapping paper holder. And with 3 segments, not just food wrapping paper, you can add foil and tissue paper too, and this makes using them super convenient. It came in secure packaging, and unlike the plastic ones, this one looks very aesthetic in the kitchen. It has these swift cutters that run on either side and cut the paper with utmost precision. This can be hung onto the wall with either nails or even 3M stick-on hooks since it's very lightweight. Now no need to find space to hold these rolls, which otherwise keep dropping here and there. Just put everything in one place, which will not only hold them together but also cut them conveniently for you. You just need to slide the roll into the given space and pull the sheet out of the gap above the cutter. And that's it. Get a precise and comfortable cut without searching for scissors or getting an uneven cut for these sheets. See, this is the condition of my foil sheet, which of course get crumpled because of lying around like that. I'll just slide the roll in and place this too inside and show you how comfortably it cuts the foil. Precise cut in one go. If you don't have space or do not wish to hang them, just place them in the drawer and it will work well. Now let me show you the cut when the organizer is placed vertically. Again, convenient and easy to cut. I was so done with the daily struggle of getting torn and crumpled paper because of box cutters. This organizer cum cutter is definitely a well thought purchase that I'm very happy with. Right now, I'll place it close to my oven where I keep all the tiffin boxes too for easy access. But this being so sleek, I'm sure it can fit in any other place. The design is clean and beautiful, so 10 on 10 for ticking all the checklist boxes for me. Next, most awaited organizer that I was searching for since so long is this 3-tier egg crate. Now, how is it helpful? Well, again, this solves my daily problem of organizing a few veggies while also increasing the space in my fridge. I had tried a few options earlier but returned them all because of the one feature of the folding tray this one has. This makes the access of the second tray so easy, especially the bottom one if the shelf is deep. Now that I have talked about convenience, let me give you a peek into the problem. Yes, when I keep tomatoes outside, they rot quickly with the changing weather, so I keep them along with a few fruits and veggies at the door for quick access. I tried placing this divider, but it's too small for large quantity and also doesn't utilize the vertical space of this shelf, which is quite a lot. And that's when the hunt started, and after trying and returning a few options, I found the perfect organizer for this door. I can place around 30 items at one spot, and accessing them is also so easy. Some fruits that I wish to consume the same day also takes up this space to avoid wastage, and this is how I utilize it. The handles on both sides make it easy to lift. However, I wish the organizer was a bit sturdier, but this is still doing justice to the need and solving my daily hassle. The shelf still has a lot of space to add more items ahead and still make the top shelf accessible. And this is how the before and after looks. Such an amazing find and a very thoughtful organizer. With that, I hope this vlog gave you enough ideas to organize your kitchen and deal with the few daily issues that we homemakers see on a day-to-day basis. All the products are linked below for you to check, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such ideas. And also follow me on Instagram for more homemaking content, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.